Okay, I have to resolve that issue that that servo is going full 360 degrees for some reason. I don't know why that's happening, so I'm going to have to find out. It's an issue that just developed as I'm testing this. Could very well be. I know it's not the servo because I tested the servos independently just a little while ago, because it was doing the same thing in a previous test flight. So that has to do with the I would imagine that has to do with the flight controller that I'm using on these coaxial helicopters. That's an old KK2 mini board that I used on the original one that I showed videos on many years ago. But it's been a while since I used those flight controllers, and so I had to reprogram that flight controller. I had to factory reset it, start from scratch. It was, I mean, it's hovering really well when everything is working just fine. But this is this issue is creeping up, so I'm gonna have to find out what that is. Like I said, it probably has to do with the flight controller. I don't think it's the receiver. The receiver would not be doing. The receiver just receives the signal from the transmitter. The transmitter is right now is on, but it's not active. I'm not moving anything, so that that's some signal that's creeping into the flight controller. Some stray signal is triggering that channel for that servo. Before I was doing it on the other servo, so I am almost certain to say that it's the flight controller. Some issues with the flight controller. Unfortunately, I don't have any more of those. I mean, I have some other ones that are on models already. I don't want to take those down or use them on these coaxial helicopters. So I'm going to have to see if I can source some new flight controllers, because these things will not fly. I mean, you need stabilization of some sort, mechanical or electronic. I may do a mechanical stabilizer here just to you know, as much as I hate to put a mechanical stabilizer on one of the rotors, you know, it does assist in help stabilize the model, but I shouldn't have to, you know, with a good flight controller and everything's running okay. So that's an issue that I have to look into. It just creeped up, but it's I mean, it's flying great. The PAI settings, I dialed those in really well, so those were pretty much locked in, as we just saw in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna have to find that out. Stay tuned for the next video. Mario once again, thanks for watching.